Photography is remarkable. It freezes time. It captures moments, allowing us to hold on to them forever. It lets us relive memories, transporting us back to those special times. We point, we shoot, and click. In an instant, a memory is preserved. A moment is frozen in time, a slice of life captured forever. But have you ever stopped to wonder how it all works? How does this magical process happen? How does a camera capture these stunning images with such clarity and detail? The answer lies in a fascinating blend of physics and technology, working in harmony. Light, the essence of an image, is harnessed and transformed by the camera. This journey of light from the subject to a digital photograph is a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. Let's delve into this captivating process, shall we? It's a journey worth exploring. It all starts with light, the fundamental element of photography. Light reflects off objects and enters the camera, beginning its transformation. Inside, a series of components work together to capture and process this light, converting it into an image. Ultimately, this process creates the images we cherish, the moments we hold dear. It's a dance of technology and physics, a seamless blend of science and art, a delicate interplay of precision and artistry, resulting in the beautiful photographs we treasure. First on our journey is the lens, an essential component in the world of photography. Think of it as the eye of the camera, capturing the essence of every scene. Just like our eyes, the lens focuses light onto a surface, allowing us to see the world in detail. But instead of our retina, the camera uses a sensor, converting light into digital information. Lenses come in different shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific purpose, from capturing vast landscapes to zooming in on distant subjects. A wide-angle lens captures a broader view, perfect for landscapes and architectural photography, giving a sense of space and depth. A telephoto lens magnifies distant objects, ideal for wildlife photography, bringing faraway subjects up close and personal. No matter the type, the lens's job remains the same, to gather and focus light, ensuring the image is well-defined and vibrant. This focus light is crucial for a sharp, clear image, allowing photographers to capture moments with precision and clarity. Next, we meet the sensor, the heart of a digital camera. Imagine a mosaic of tiny squares. These are pixels. Each pixel is sensitive to light. When light hits a pixel, it generates an electrical signal. The strength of this signal depends on the intensity of light. Brighter light, stronger signal; darker light, weaker signal. The sensor measures these signals for each pixel. This grid of signals forms the raw data of our image. Section 4. Shutter speed controlling time. But how long does light hit the sensor? That's where the shutter comes in. The shutter acts as a gatekeeper, controlling the duration of light exposure. A fast shutter speed, like 1/1000th of a second, freezes motion. Think of a hummingbird in flight, wings frozen mid-flap. A slow shutter speed, perhaps a few seconds, allows for motion blur. Imagine a waterfall, the water transformed into a silky smooth cascade. Section 5. The processor, from light to image. Finally, the processor steps in, the brain of our digital camera. Remember those signals from the sensor? The processor now comes into play. It reads and processes these signals, converting them into digital information. This information contains data about each pixel's brightness and color. The processor then assembles this data, like piecing together a jigsaw puzzle, to create the final digital image. Section 6. A symphony of technology, the art of capturing light. It's a journey that begins with a simple click but involves a complex interplay of elements. And there you have it. The joy of capturing that perfect moment is unparalleled. From the moment light enters the lens to the final image displayed on your screen, the process is a marvel of technology. Each step is meticulously designed to ensure the best possible outcome. It's a testament to human ingenuity, where countless hours of research and development come together, harnessing the laws of physics to capture and preserve moments in time. The science behind it is as fascinating as the art itself. So the next time you pick up a camera, remember the intricate mechanisms at play. Take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of light and technology happening within. Notice how light bends, reflects, and refracts to create the perfect shot. It's a reminder that even the most complex processes can be broken down into simple, elegant principles. These principles are the foundation of every great photograph. And it's this understanding that allows us to truly appreciate the art of photography. Each image is a blend of science, technology, and creativity, coming together to tell a story.